lights in there automatically. Well, can't open it. Guess what? I ain't gonna show you my code. I changed it. What's up? What's up, YouTube folks? So just got home, and what do you do when you're at Sam's? Well, you buy a bunch of stuff you don't need. Leatherman, and this guy was $12. I thought the bits were probably worth that much, so I bought it. So this next thing I've been eyeballing, and they had them for $6.99 forever, and they finally got them for $4.75. And I haven't seen any open boxes or reviews on them on YouTube anywhere. So check it out. There it is, $4.75. Sports Field, 32 gun safe. Fire rate is 75 minutes. Not only did I get one, we got two. We got the last two. So this is one of the better rated ones that I've seen. So I'm gonna get these out of the truck. They weigh like 3 million pounds. So me and Dad's gonna get out here and get them out in a minute and unbox one of them and show y'all what's in there. All right, so we got this big mammer jammer in here, and it is right there, 356 pounds, I think. So if you get somebody who needs some help, so I got some help right there.
That's made help.
So we're about to start whacking it open here with a knife. So
I got a knife right here. We'll start doing this.
that's not a knife. This is a knife. So got this for a Halloween costume the other day. Oh, what are these things made out of?
Kevlar.
You could shave with this knife. That's how sharp it is.
Check this knife out.
Now what? All right, when we fit this thing off, we'll come right back. All right, so we got the box. We have to cut it open. That's what's inside. So when you buy one, we've got 365 degrees of about 1.5 inches thick padding all the way around it. So they've got it packaged really well. You can see it as I see it. Alright, so underneath the packaging, hear that crazy dog? There we go. Good deal. Alright. So, next step, take all the stuff off and get it where I need to put it, and then we'll kind of go over and look at it. All right, so here's what's in the little package on the front. We have one little handle to go on the safe, got some batteries, and then I guess this is the manual. So, oh, we also have these keys. So I guess these are the backups, just in case you lose power, in case you can't remember your codes. All right, so we're gonna go through these directions here: unboxing, inspection, opening. So, okay, so contents. Locate the override keys and single handle spoke inside the bag. Install the single handle spoke by inserting it. Locate the keyhole in the backer plate. Turn to do the override key. Okay, so we'll stick that in there, override it, and open it up. Okay. We're not gonna do any of that securing it. We're just gonna stick it in there. So let's do that. All right, I think we got it. So we turn this clockwise to the right, and this, yeah, clockwise. So here we go. Oh yeah, nice. So inside of here, we have the cord. So we have power cord. So that's got some lights inside of here. I guess you could put a humidifier if you wanted to. This must be some kind of humidity pack. Yeah, dispose of it, so throw this away. All right, so right here, there's your bolts kit, and you got your keypad in there. So we were looking all over the place and it said it right there. So all right, so that's that. Okay, next steps. So put the battery in, you hear a beep when it goes in, then hook this little cable up, it only goes one way. Then you orient it in the right direction and it just snaps. So then it's snapped on there. All right, let's see what's next. All right, next step, swipe your finger across here, it says. You get 2 random numbers, you press those numbers, and then it gives you full access to the keypad. And then it's 159 pound, and that unlocks it. So if you try and come get my stuff, don't worry, I'm gonna change the code. So that's the default code in the book. So that's how you do that. Okay, so here's the brass cap. If you're looking for that, it's right inside the door. Take that off, press this. It redoes it, resets it. So that's gonna illuminate to that. And after that, you will enter your new code. All right, so I thought that the plug was for the lights too, but the lights are gonna run off these extra batteries, and there's LEDs that run all around the door. So that sucker should be pretty bright. So here's the box, it's down here in the bottom. It's got Velcro, so you'll see it when you open the door. I don't know how it works. I guess it's motion activated or something. We'll find out in a minute. All right, so here we go. This is the light. It is plenty bright enough. It says it's motion activated. So I just left it down there, flipped the switch on. I mean, that's daylight bright in there. It's plenty good, especially if it's in the closet, and I can be able to see all this with the regular closet light. But I'm gonna configure it and get it stuck in there and come back in a minute. You know, I knew I bought this on purpose. So I needed to get these screws out, so that's pretty cool. See if we got enough juice to get this thing off. All right, so it's final resting place. So it's in there. We got space for the guns. We got some more shelves, and in case you're wondering, here are your shelf brackets that hold it in there. And these are mounting bolts to mount to the floor that I'm not gonna do. So now all my little pistols can go in here and take them out all the various places that I have them stashed, and my long guns and some ammo boxes and everything. All right, so if you are wondering about the sports afield here from Sam's, yeah, I think it's a good buy. So it's got a nice finish on it. It's real solid. Like I said, 300 something pounds. It's got a good look to it. It's got the lights in there automatically. Well, can't open it. Guess what? I ain't gonna show you my code. I changed it. What's up? So every time you go into it, you have to wake it up and hit like a random number, and then that gives you full access. So here's the stats one more time. 32 guns, 75 minutes at 1400 degrees, waterproof 7 days up to 2 feet, and here's all the little extras. All right, folks, if you got anything out of that, like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate the support.